Hello grade 9s. Today we are doing geometry of 2D shapes. So this is our summary. For bullet 1, adjacent angles share a common vertex. Complementary angles add up to 90 degrees. Supplementary angles add up to 180 degrees. We also have the properties of triangles. For bullet number 1, they are saying the sum of interior angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. As you can see, you are having angle A, B, and C. That means if you are having something like this for your statement, will be angle A plus B plus C is equals to 180 degrees. And then for our second bullet, under properties of triangle, they are telling us that the exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of the interior opposite angles. So let's look at our statement. You can see you're having angle ABC and then this line and then angle C1 as well. So for your statement, angle C1, which is this one, should be equals to angle A plus angle B, because angle A and B are your interior opposite angles. And then your reason will be exterior angle of a triangle. For the last bullet, we are having the isosceles triangle. They are telling us that if two sides of a triangle are equal, then the angles opposite the equal sides are equal. You are given triangle ABC. You can see that side AB is the same as AC. How do we know? They do indicate with those lines, which means this side and that side are equal. So if AB is equals to AC, then angle B and angle C are equal, which is what we are having. If AB equals to AC, then angle B is equals to angle C, angles opposite equal sides. This will be your reason. Okay, let's do example 1. You are given this. They are telling you to determine the sizes of the angles marked with letters. So we need to calculate angle A, B, C, as well as angle D. Remember, it is always important for you to have your statement and the reason. So, with the information that we are having about the geometry of 2D shape as well as the properties of triangles, we should be able to calculate all those angles. So, if you guys check, you are having a triangle like that, right? So it will be easy for us to calculate angle A because I can see we are having the exterior angle, meaning the sum of these interior angles should be equals to 128 degrees. The statement in this case will be angle A plus 57 degrees is equals to 128 degrees. Then your reason will be exterior angle of a triangle. Now we are solving for the value of A. You will have A equals to, bring down 128 degrees as it is. We are transposing positive 57 into our right hand side. The sign will change. It will be negative 57 degrees. And then A is equals to 128 minus 57 degrees. We are getting 71 degrees. This is the value of A. All right. So we can calculate the value of B. So if you guys follow my hand like this, you can see I'm having a U. Remember, we said when we are having the U shape, you are having co-interior angles. So that means your statement in this case will be B plus 128 degrees is equals to 180 degrees. And then your reason is co-interior angles. And then don't forget to indicate that AC is parallel to DF, because they did indicate with those arrows to show that the lines are parallel. So you'll have AC parallel to DF. That's your reason. Now you are solving for B. You bring down B as it is, and then you are having your equal sign. Bring down 180 degrees, and then you transpose 128 into your right hand side. The sign will change to negative 128 degrees. B is equals to 180 minus 128 degrees. You should get 52 degrees. Okay. And then now we can calculate the value of C. So you are having C as well as 57 degrees. You can see this is a straight line. That means you can have that statement. Okay, your statement will be C plus 57 degrees is equals to 180 degrees. Your reason will be adjacent angles on a straight line. And then C is equals to 180 degrees. You transpose this to your right hand side, it's minus 57 degrees. 180 minus 57 degrees, we are getting 123 degrees. So we are only left with the value of D. So grade 9s, if you follow my hand like that, you can see it forms a Z shape. This angle is equals to that angle. So you can have D is equals to 57 degrees. Your reason will be alternating angles. Then you don't forget to indicate that you are having parallel lines. AC parallel to DF. Okay. Then you are done calculating the value of D. Let's work on number 2. They are telling us to determine the value of X. If you check, PR is equals to QR, because they did indicate with those lines, meaning the sides are equal. So you will just say PR is equals to QR given. Okay. Since PR is equals to QR, that means these angles should be equal, because this is the isosceles triangle. So that means angle Q will be equals to 2x minus 20 degrees. Now we should calculate the value of X. So we are having angle Q, R as well as angle P. And we know for a fact that sum of interior angles is equals to 180 degrees. So our statement will be 2x minus 20 degrees. And I know that Q is also 2x plus 2x minus 20 degrees. And then R plus 60 degrees equals to 180 degrees. Your reason will be angles of a triangle. So you are having like terms, which is 2x and 2x. When we add 2x plus 2x, we must get 4x. And then on your calculator, you can press minus 20 plus 60. You must get positive 20. Then equals to, you bring down 180 degrees. Now you should solve for x. You bring down 4x equals to, and then your 180 degrees, you transpose 20 to your right hand side, it will be negative 20 degrees. You bring down 4x, and then 180 minus 20, it is 160 degrees. We need to solve for x. Now we can get rid of 4 by dividing by 4. What you do on your left hand side, you also do on your right hand side. 160 divided by 4, we are getting 40 degrees. That's the value of x. So for our last example, we are having this triangle BCD, and then this line. So we know that if we add these two, they should be equal to 3x. Our statement will be 66 degrees plus x is equals to 3x. Your reason will be exterior angle of a triangle. You can solve for x. You bring down 66 degrees as it is equals to 3x. You transpose x to your right hand side, you're having negative x. Then 66 degrees is equals to 2x. Get rid of 2 by dividing by 2. What we do on our left, we also do on our right hand side. X will be 33 degrees. That's our answer for number 3.